Now let's see one more date function, which is date value function, which we'll be using in our model preparation. The date value function converts a date that is stored as a text to a serial number that Excel recognizes as a date. For example, formula is equal to date value 1/1/2008 returns 39448, which is the serial number of the date 1/1/2008. Remember, this result might be vary depending upon your computer's base settings. The formula argument for date value is date value and date as text. Date text is a required argument, which is the only argument here. So it is a text that represents a date in Excel date format, or reference to a cell that contains a text that represents the date in Excel date format. For example, in inverted comma 1/30/2008 or 30th Jan 2008 are text strings within quotation mark that represents dates. Using the default date system in Microsoft Excel for Windows, date underscore text argument must represent the date between 1st January 1900 and 31st December 9999. The date value function returns the value error if the date underscore argument falls outside this particular date range. If the portion of the date underscore text argument is omitted, the date value function uses the current year from computer's built-in clock. The time information in date underscore text argument is ignored. Now let's see date value function in action with some Excel demo. Now let's work with some example for the date value function. So I have few dates mentioned here in the column B, which is 5th May 2015, 12th May 1985 and 5th June 1986. As you can see, I have put this particular dates as a text, as I have put inverted comma as start of this particular dates. So if I sum these three, I will not get any number at all, I will get count here, as you can see here. So these are all text entered as date. Now let's apply date value function to this particular text strings. So in cell D10, I will enter date value function. I will select this particular cell, which is B10, which is text as date, and I hit enter. I get 42,129, which is nothing but a number, a serial number for a date. So I will have to format this particular number for a date. So I will go to Control 1, number formatting, and I will choose the date format I like. So this is nothing but 5th May 2015. Now let's apply date value formula to 12th May 1985, which is in cell B11. So I will apply date value function, select B11 and hit enter. So as expected, I got 12th May 1985, which is now actual date you can use in a formula or function or any other calculations, which you cannot use with this particular format, which is in text format. Similarly, I will just copy the formula in cell D12 for the value in B12. So I get 5th June 1986. Now if I total these three values, I get calculations, as you can see here. So we'll be using this date value function in combination with other functions in the Excel model preparation. I will show you a very practical and effective use of this date value function in our model preparation. Thank you for watching.